Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing or not working on your TikTok iPhone. For example, if you open TikTok and you click on inbox and you do not see any kind of message or direct message option not working for you. So how you can fix that? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the TikTok app, and after that, you have to go to settings. And in settings, what you have to do, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to click on, scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhones. Here, you have to click on reset. And after that, you have to simply reset the network setting, and you have to make sure that your network works properly. If the problem is still there, you can also go for reset all settings. And after that, you can simply log in your TikTok account on your TikTok app again. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can go for the next solution, which is as that you have to click on App Store. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply search for the TikTok app. And after that, you have to make sure that you have an updated version of the TikTok. And if it is updated, then well and good. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your TikTok app. And after updating TikTok app, your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you can again click on TikTok. After that, you have to click on three lines, and after that, you have to click on settings and privacy. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here what you have to do, you have to simply report that problem to TikTok team. So here what you can do, you can scroll it down until you find the option of messaging or inbox option. So here you can simply go for a direct message problem. So here you can simply look for that problem and provide a feedback to TikTok team. And from that, they will solve your problem as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe by watching.